Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. How are you, my sweet little champs? Are you okay? I think so that you people are enjoying your vacations very well. And side by side, I have told you to do the preparation for your second assessments and to do your studies in a proper way. I am over here to help you again for Rockmark English Students Book 3. Yes, we are working on Rockmark English Students Book 3 and we have already completed some of its very interesting lessons and now we are working on, yes, your favorite one lesson, my new friend. Bunny and Bingo we have enjoyed a lot and after Bunny and Bingo we are working on a new friend. We have already started its comprehension reading. So today we will complete its rest of the reading and we will came to know that what happened to Oliver in this new class. So all of you quickly open page number 36. Please open. Yes, have you opened page number 36? On page number 36, today we will study that what happened to Oliver in his new classroom further. But already what we have studied, I wanted to recall. We have studied yesterday that Mr. Brown, who is a teacher of Oliver, he came into the class and he introduced a new boy to the classmates. He introduced the new boy whose name is Oliver and Mr. Brown told to all the classmates that Oliver is a new boy and he has come from somewhere else and recently he has come in this vicinity and now he has to study with them. And then Mr. Oliver asked Anna to bring a workbook for Oliver so that they can continue their study. Later on, Mr. Brown was searching for the place for Oliver and he said that who will help Oliver in his grammar work. He has kept an eye on the Oliver's work. So that's why he told that who will help Oliver in his grammar work. Do you remember that till this incident we have read this story कि किस तरह से मिस्टर ब्राउन ने ओलिवर को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया, फिर ओलिवर के बारे में थोड़ी थोड़ी बातें बताई, फिर ये बताया कि ओलिवर के लिए वर्कबुक लेकर आए और उसके बाद कहा कि ओलिवर की ग्रामर थोड़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी होनी चाहिए एंड देन ही सेड दैट हु इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प ओलिवर इन द ग्रामर. Now let's see that who will help Oliver. Should I start page number 36? On page number 36, we will came to know that who is going to help Oliver in the grammar lessons. Okay? Much of everyone's surprise, James put up his hand, a hand which was shaking slightly. The class is surprised, thought Mr. Brown, but I'm not. James is quiet and shy, but he's always there when anyone needs help. Well done, James. Now, Oliver and James become fast friends, okay? Both of them help each other. They often share their lunch. They play together. Oliver, I hope you'll come first in the exams, says James. Yeah, the whole class takes the exams. Everyone awaits the result. On the result day, the teacher announces the result to everyone's expectation. Oliver gets the first division. The teacher awards him the winning cup. Everyone in the class claps for Oliver. It's an interesting story. It means that Oliver has become a very good man. And who is the friend of Oliver? That's James. We will further discuss it in our comprehension reading. But what we used to do before comprehension reading? Please tell me. Yes, you're right. Before doing the comprehension reading, we must have to do the unfamiliar new words, right? So, please help me out. What are the new words for you on this page, on page number 36? What are the unfamiliar words? Is everyone is unfamiliar word? Everyone? Har koi? No, it's an easy word. But surprise can be. Surprise. So, what is the meaning of surprise? Shock. We have done this word before also, that whenever something happened at once and we become astonished, bewildered, that means surprise. Often we receive surprises from our parents. Do you remember that we have studied the story of the birthday party in which the mother bring the cake with 11 candles for the girl and the girl got surprised. बिल्कुल हैरान रह जाती है आपके साथ भी अक्सर ऐसा होता है ना, अक्सर मम्मा पापा आपको कोई सरप्राइज देती है, आपके सिबलिंग्स अक्सर आपको कोई सरप्राइज देती है. सो द सरप्राइज मीन्स शॉक, शॉक, शॉक. गॉट इट? एकदम से suddenly anything happened which you were not expecting, you were not thinking that this thing will get happen. That is called surprise. Got it? So next word can be slightly. Slightly can be the next word. So underline slightly. And what is the synonym of slightly? Slightly mean slowly. Slightly mean slowly, slowly, slowly. Got it? बिल्कुल आहिस्ता आहिस्ता से नरमी के साथ कोई चीज जब होती है तो we used to say that it happened slightly. What else words? Shaking? Yes, underline shaking. Shaking means vibrating. When we used to shake like this, आहिस्ता से उसको हरकत देना. अक्सर we used to shake when we are in fear. In your class 1, you have done the lesson of the horror house. And in the horror house, when the boy entered into the horror house, he was trembling. So shaking is trembling or vibrating. अक्सर हम खौफ से, डर से भी shaking करते हैं. सर्दी के साथ भी अक्सर हम trembling कर रहे होते हैं, ऐसे कपकपा रहे होते हैं. तो shaking जो सा है वो थोड़ा minor word है. Shaking का मतलब trembling नहीं होता, बहुत ज़्यादा कपकपाना नहीं होता, बस थोड़ा थोड़ा हिलना, थोड़ा सा खौफ, थोड़ा सा डर. Okay? So underline shaking and write down vibrating, vibrating, vibrating. Shaking means? Yes, vibrating. Okay. So what would be the next word? The next word can be the quiet. Quiet is someone who is always remains silent. I'm quiet now. Yes, it is like this. So often you people also remain quiet in your classroom, and often you talk a lot in the classroom, and teacher used to say you, excuse me, be quiet. Got it? So quiet means to be silent. Got it? So the synonym of the quiet is silent, silent, silent. Got it? The next word is shy. Shy means someone who is very timid, who is not confident, who don't do the things boldly, who don't come forward and talk to anyone. That seems to be a shy person. Are you a shy person? Shy कैसा बच्चा होता है जो सबके साथ घुलता मिलता नहीं, सबसे बात नहीं करता, बहुत ज़्यादा confidence नहीं रखता. He is shy. Okay. So we can read on the synonym of shy. Timid. Yes. Timid, timid and timid. Timid means the shy one. Okay. Then all the rest of words seems to be easy to me, but it can be together. Yes, underline together, and together means collected, collected, collected and collected. When we used to perform any activity together, हम सब मिल के जब कोई काम करते हैं, that is together. Okay. And often is our adverb of frequency also. You people have done your adverb of frequency in your previous class. And it is used whenever we have to perform any actions, and we show that how many times we are performing that action. Now, are we doing that work regularly or usually or sometimes or often? Okay, so often means sometimes. Got it? Underline often and write down sometimes, sometimes, sometimes. Got it? Next word can be expectations. Yes. Expectation is also a new word for you. Expectations means that when we are thinking that someone will do this thing according to this point, but the other person will do completely opposite things. We used to expect something now, and over here we can see that Oliver's got very good marks according to the expectations of the classroom. So expectation means to have the feelings of doing something, okay, conclusions of someone's behaviors. And then you can underline awards. Yes, awards can be a new word for you. Underline awards. Awards means the prize which we receive from someone. Okay, whenever we used to perform something really very good, we receive our prizes. So awards mean prize, prize and prize. Got it? After doing our unfamiliar words, now it's a turn to do the comprehension reading. very attentively. You will work with me and we will do our comprehension readings. When in the beginning I have done the simple reading for you, at that time also I took great care of the intonations, and now again you people will take great care of the stresses and intonations of this whole paragraph, and then we will do this. And in the beginning we have not discussed the proper picture comprehension of this page. So you can see the in this picture also everyone is clapping, everyone is happy, and Oliver is receiving the reward from the Mr. Brown, who is the teacher. So the whole situation is a very happy situation, and it means that Oliver has been already a very good student. So I will start the comprehensive reading. Much to everyone's surprise, James put up his hand when Mr. Brown asked to the whole class that who will help Oliver in his grammar lessons. Then what happened? Who raised his hand? James. James put up his hand, and put up his hand means raised his hand. Got it? James raised his hand and James said that he will help him. Okay? And everyone was surprised. Everyone thought that James is just a shy person, so he will not help anyone. But Mr. Brown was not surprised. James was a very good boy. Much of everyone's surprise. हर एक को हैरान करते हुए James put up his hand. James ने अपना हाथ खड़ा किया. A hand which was shaking slightly. और ये एक ऐसा हाथ था जो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता कपकपा रहा था, वाइब्रेट कर रहा था, शेक कर रहा था. It shows that James was not so confident, and James was not so spoken and so open sort of boy. He was shy and quiet, and he just raised his hand, and he was quiet and silent, and he was a bit confused. Okay, this shaking is telling us that he was confused. The class is surprised. जब जेम्स ने अपना हाथ खड़ा किया ओलिवर की हेल्प करने के लिए, तो पूरी क्लास बहुत हैरान होगी. द क्लास इज सरप्राइज्ड. सरप्राइज्ड मीन्स बिकम शॉक्ड. वो सब बहुत शॉक्ड हो गए कि हैं जेम्स हेल्प करेगा इसकी. थॉट मिस्टर ब्राउन. मिस्टर ब्राउन ने ये सोचा, बट आई एम नॉट. मिस्टर ब्राउन सेड, मैंने तो सोचा कि मैं तो बिल्कुल भी हैरान नहीं हुआ. क्यों नहीं हैरान हुआ? क्योंकि आपके टीचर्स आप लोगों को अच्छे से जानते हैं. टीचर्स को पता होता है कि कौन से स्टूडेंट में कौन सी क्वालिटीज़ हैं. इसी तरह से मिस्टर ब्राउन को पता था कि बज़ाहिर जेम्स इज़ अ शाय एंड क्वाइट बॉय, बट ही इज़ अ वेरी गुड इन हेल्पिंग अदर्स. ही ऑलवेज हेल्प्स अदर. Okay, so Mr. Brown says that I'm not surprised. James is quiet and shy, but he is always there when anyone needs help. Okay, Mr. James is saying in this sentence that everyone in the class was surprised, but I was not surprised. क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि जेम्स एक क्वाइट और शाय बच्चा तो है, वो कॉन्फिडेंट तो नहीं है, लेकिन he always there whenever anyone needs help. लेकिन वो दूसरों की मदद करने में हमेशा सबसे आगे होता है. Well done James. अब मिस्टर ब्राउन ने जेम्स को अप्रिशिएट किया और कहा कि well done James, शाबाश जेम्स. Now Oliver and James become fast friends. और उस दिन के बाद क्या हुआ? जेम्स और ओलिवर fast friends बन गए. Fast friends means very good friends. Both of them help each other. दोनों एक दूसरे की हर काम में मदद करते. They often share their lunch. वो कभी कभी एक दूसरे के साथ लंच भी शेयर करते. They play together. वो मिल के खेलते. Oliver, I hope you'll come first in the exams, says James. और जेम्स अपने फास्ट फ्रेंड ओलिवर को एक दिन बोल रहा था कि ओलिवर, I hope so, आप एग्जाम्स में फर्स्ट आओगे. You'll come first in the exams. Whole class takes the exams. पूरी क्लास के एग्जाम्स हुए. Everyone awaits the result. और एग्जाम्स के बाद पूरी क्लास बहुत बेचैनी से अपने अपने रिजल्ट का इंतजार कर रही थी. On the result day, the teacher announces the result. रिजल्ट डे पे टीचर ने रिजल्ट अनाउंस किया. और पता है क्या हुआ? To everyone's expectations, Oliver gets the first division. हर एक को पूरी तवक्को थी कि ओलिवर जौन सा है वो फर्स्ट डिवीजन लेगा, और ऐसा ही हुआ. ओलिवर ने फर्स्ट डिवीजन ली. हालांकि वो तो एक नया बच्चा था और उसको ग्रामर में थोड़े प्रॉब्लम्स भी थे. किसने उसकी हेल्प की थी? जेम्स ने हेल्प की थी. द टीचर अवार्ड्स हिम द विनिंग कप. और उसके बाद टीचर ने उसको एक विनिंग कप अवार्ड किया, उसको गिफ्ट किया. एवरीवन इन द क्लास क्लैप्स फॉर ओलिवर. क्लास में हर एक ने ओलिवर के लिए क्या किया? Clapping की. Yes, we have completed our story. It was really very interesting story. Oliver was a boy who came new in the classroom. He was having some problems with the grammar. Mr. Brown asked the class that who will help him. So who helped him? James. Who helped him? James. And what sort of person James was? James खुद किस किस्म का बच्चा था? Yes, James was a quiet and shy boy, but he always helps others. So that's why James helps his fellow very well, and he got the first division and they become fast friends also. It was an interesting story. Now it's your turn to do the comprehension reading of this page, to go through from all the unfamiliar words, to learn your own synonyms from your synonym list of your notes, and then to understand the whole content of this page. Got it? Next page we will do in the next lecture, and make sure to do the comprehension by yourself of the next lecture. Allah Hafiz, stay blessed.